Okay, and rotating your joints, 7 joints, hands, elbow, arms, neck, and waist. This is your check point. Best spinal cord, healthy spinal cord, check point is this. This you can do at your privacy places anytime. Of course, knees, let's come to ankle. That you can do. And coming to acupressure, for example. Acupressure is like this. And as I said, sanitization. Sanitization, you know? Yes. You have. And like this, must keep your back or pocket every time till corona go from the world. Okay? And you have to clean like this. And next item, acupressure yoga, most powerful. Keep like this, you know. Yes. Palm punch. Palm punch. Breathe in. 7. Again. When I am punching, I am breathing out. See. Most important. Second item, that means complete palm touching. Bioenergy circuit. Next, like this. Next, like this. Next, like this. Next one for frozen shoulders, frozen shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fit for yourself, not somebody else. And next one, most important, when you wash your hands like this, people forget this in Indian culture. We have got the cultural tradition. Somebody comes to your house, we ask them to clean legs and hands. Even Namaste has become popular throughout in the world. Indian culture, the best and unique in the world. The entire world is following. We should follow. And next item is, when you wash your hands, you know, keep your tips of the fingers like this and press. This is acupressure. And again, and here, this too. This must go automatically when you wash your hands every time. Next thing again, neck too. Neck muscles, the most important, gentle massage. So all these comes under micro yoga. Even for the legs you can do, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can rub your hands like this. Yes, legs like this. So all these things we get out of sadhana, regular practice, not emotionally. The entire world suffers from constipation. Constipation, as the yoga master tell you, is more of mental, less of physical. But I say free emotions, free emotions, free emotions, free emotions. So emotions go together. And drink water sufficient, but giving a break. Every 4 hours you must eat something. Pre-yoga drink, triple churna, possible. Post-yoga drink, you can drink something. Tea, coffee, anything you like. And breakfast. Again lunch. Repeating master, I definitely say yoga does help you, make you drug-free, tension-free, crime-free, pollution-free. We are proud being Indians. We have got infinite yoga cultural heritage Indian soil which is spread to the world. And these are things, and coming to the meditation finally. As I said, close up. So wake up yoga has shown, makeup yoga has shown, and next item, yes, Kriya yoga, Sukshma yoga, what I said, micro yoga. Next therapeutic. Therapeutic we know, yoga and therapist, as I said, for sinus, this thread must be inserted in the nostrils, 2 nostrils, and make a notch and clean this, these sides to come. And even people underwent operation, they did not get relief. So I treated these patients for Sutaneti, Jalaneti, and Gajakarni, and Senkaparchana. Senkaparchana drinking water, hot water, which requires yoga supervision to make your 4-meter coil tube elementary canal free of any toxins, including amoebiasis. That's why I said, when kitchen is clean, toilet is clean. When both are clean, family clean, gully clean, building clean. When colony is clean. So never forget, the elementary canal must be clean and clean. At least monthly once, we should have Centropakshan or self-enema with the advice of the doctors. So these are called Shuddhi, the most important things. And coming to close-up. Close-up is meditation. Meditation is the most powerful. Out of Buddha, out of meditation alone, Buddha, the great monk, founded the nirvanic state of experience of samadhi. Samadhi means trance, zero state possible. And for that, kindly listen to me, my favorite subject, meditation. Meditation is only powerful medium. It's a passport to your life. It's a visa to your life. But meditation should not be done in a hurry manner, but taking sufficient time. The best time for meditation, evening hours. When you are physically exhausted and attending lecture class, wash face and everything ready, and keep the phone closed, TV closed, better complete silent room, better not AC now, till Corona goes out. And postures can be Padmasana, Sukhasana, Virasana, Siddhasana, or Vajrasana. Even Vajrasana also you can sit in meditation. Okay. And this meditation particularly, and you need to remove your watch, keep somewhere safe. Okay. This is Chin Mudra. Chin Mudra, every mudra has got its own will, but it gives subtle experience, not gross, subtle experience individually, like Sapta Chakra. The chakra has energy pockets, dumping in, pumping out. It needs lot of sadhana and a teacher's guidance. Chin Mudra, keeping in the left palm like this, and Vajrasana, yes, straight, and you have to check your body posture mentally. Spinal cord must be erect. I say erect spine, correct brain, otherwise corrupt brain. Energy levels must go straight. As I said, cranium to perineum, perineum to cranium, including medulla oblongata. The most powerful, again I tell you, language cannot describe the benefits of meditation, dhyana. So keep straight like this, and mudra in between legs, look straight, and close your eyes as if sun is setting. Dead slow. And after closing eyes, breathe in, breathe out, maximum, deep, slow, and calm, and quiet. Enjoy yourself. Let every cell of your body, gets its due share of energy. Mind has to supply this energy to every cell of the body, the entire body. The freedom is given. In this meditation, the body is given complete, natural, cosmic, normal freedom to act on its own like sleeping. And closing eyes, breathe and breathe deep and deep for some time. And next, after breathing for a while, abnormal breathing like a child, mind remembers something which is not important. That's why I say, mind is a monkey, jumping. Body is a donkey, walking. Soul is the soul key, judging. So to vacate noisy mind from the house of body is jhana. Meditation, order, disorder. Meditation, strong, drugless meditation. Okay, so observing your breath, tip of the nose, just try to forget yourself, forget. Thoughts come to you like a bird sitting on the top of the hill or sitting on the top of the big tree, observing the clouds of doubt, forget. You automatically, forget your mind, and all these five senses will be calm and quiet, except breath is left. Breath takes place very easily, leisurely, at its own space. That is what called You may get sleep, don't worry. And maximum meditation duration is 7 minutes to 10 minutes. Beginners, please do not go beyond 10 minutes. No, it spoils your again emotions. It may cause BP levels. So don't try all these things. So with all these things, meditation, I'll sum up again. Food and lifestyle in these corona days, please take ginger and jaggery. First, empty stomach, ginger and jaggery, 10 grams equal number 1. Number 2, in your meals, try to take garlic pickle, paste of garlic, high resistant chapati. Garlic will attack even cancer too. Garlic to combat corona, food and lifestyle very important. Have your own mask. When you interact with the people, you can close the mask. But after that, not necessary. But provide all these things. Stick to yoga, enjoy yoga, love yoga. Please, love yoga, enjoy yoga. I said, don't do yoga, love yoga, enjoy yoga. Yoga makes you live forever. So once again, I have given you very fast track. This is a festival of International Day of Yoga being organized. The beautiful hall, ultra modern hall of NAC 1, and thanks to the esteemed and my beloved Vice Chancellor Professor Suresh Kumar and Modi ji Prime Minister, our Chief Minister of course. So I honestly request all of you, please encourage your children and everyone to yoga. Yoga removes everything. Corona, to make corona very weak. To make corona weak, we must be stronger, multiply stronger to kick the corona from the soil of the world. Thank you very much.